Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Super Stories, and today we are talking about our new story iThonga. Nakho guys ungakulindela kuleli viki okokuqala nje sorry guys nebese nini crash kubanele. Unfortunately akasindanga kuleya incident eyenzeke Friday, and I think he was there to introduce iThonga ezoba iThonga ke likaSanele iwele lakhe eliwuthisha omkhulu. According to Matthias uzogcina ke eshiyile esikoleni ke uSanele azoqhubha ke ifamily business construction, and uSanele will end up dating intombi yomfowabo uZama because of Banele spirit. I'm convinced ke guys ukuthi ke as much as uSanele esele, but uzophila kakhulu impilo kaBanele because of his spirit. So leya gangster ebeniyithanda kuBanele ngazuthi nizoyithola la kuSanele. So yeah guys, I don't know ukuthi ke uthini umuza wenu ngale story, but ke nakho impela ke ongakulindela. Abanye bebekhala bebuza ukuthi ke if ukuthi Banele uyashona, they won't watch iThonga anymore. Unfortunately guys, the character yakhe very bekade kuyitwin, and itwin lakhona is the same person with i-character ka Sanele. So ke they killed i-character kaBanele because they were trying to introduce us ukuthi sibone ukuthi lento yeThonga ke izobe isebenza kanjani, because uSanele will be receiving instruction or uzowengamiwa umoya kaBanele ebese ke enza izinto ngendlela ke uBanele bengathanda ke ukuthi ke azenze ngakhona, njengakho nje ukuthi ke agcine semforced ukuthi ke athanda nentombi yakhe. So yeah guys, I don't know ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngale story esisha, usuyasithanda. Yeah man, what is your opinion ngale story ke esisanda kuqala iThonga? That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.